What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. I didn't get a chance to go over it yesterday, but I want to talk about some big stuff that's going on in Shiba Inu, and this goes way beyond the whole technicals and everything. This is fundamentally soundproof. So we're going to be going over all this Shiba Inu stuff today, but definitely hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, before we go over the technicals, I am going to go over the technicals today because I got to go over them in every single video. We're going to be going over some of the good stuff that's going on in Shiba Inu fundamentally. So, obviously, we already know a few things that we got going on with Shiba Inu, right? We already know that right here we have this whole Kraken listing, right? We have this whole Kraken listing, and then over here we got new egg about to actually accept us as payments, like right before Christmas. And then over here we have William Volk. So William Volk is a game industry veteran. He worked with Activision. He was head of tech there at Activision, and he did a lot of good stuff for the gaming community. I think he also worked on the first iPhone game or something like that. He has a lot of credentials, right? And he's about to be helping Shiba Inu create the game. So not only is that happening, we also got over here. So Shiba Army, we're so excited for the future. Let's give a warm welcome to Playside Studios at Shiba Inu Games. So Playside Studios is now going to be partnering with Shiba Inu Games. And look, as you can see, AAA game developers, 100 plus developers, 50 plus games. And now look, they're even promoting it on their own channel, Shiba Army. They're now going to be helping Shiba Inu with their whole game development. This is about to be huge right here. As you can see, these are pretty good graphics right here for Age of Darkness. It looks like a pretty good game right here. So we see that they have actual developers creating actual games. Like a lot of these play to earn crypto games, they're not really built that well. They're like 2D games that don't really have much activities. But like I'm used to playing stuff. I actually used to play WoW. If you all know anything about WoW, I used to play WoW. I used to play like Overwatch and Call of Duty. I used to play all that stuff, but now I really don't have time for all that anymore. I would start playing it again, but I don't have time for all these games to play. But anyways, these are the type of games that I like, and I feel like if Shiba Inu partners with Playside Studios, they could definitely create create some kind of game that's very interactive, some kind of RPG game, some kind of MMO, something, some kind of game that can really captivate the audience's attention. And that's what I really would like to see coming from Shiba Inu. But over here, this Twitter post says, I'm extremely excited to work with Playside Studios. Playside is one of the best AAA studios in the world that will deliver an incredible game across multiple platforms and genres. Add in William Volk and Chef Kiss hashtag, whatever that is. So visit Playside Studios to see their portfolio. And this is definitely going to be good. If you want to visit it, definitely just go over here and look at their whole studio full of stuff that they're working on. So their featured games here, The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners. You got Jumanji, you got over here Archangel. This actually looks like a pretty fun game, to be honest. So they have a lot of stuff. This kind of looks like Titanfall, in my opinion. But there's a lot of different games out here that they're creating, and now they're going to be helping Shiba Inu create a game. So this is about to be really big for us. This is really about to help out the whole Shiba Army. Age of Darkness, I don't know. This game just looks like amazing, just based off of how they're putting it. Just how these graphics are looking. So it's out on Steam. So definitely check it out if you want to see what they could possibly do for Shiba Inu. There's definitely a lot of potential here. So I want to see exactly what kind of game they're going to be making for Shiba Inu, because this is just going to be really good if they can really make a solid game for Shiba Inu. It's going to be good for us all. So anyways, this is definitely a very good opportunity for the Shiba Army. I just wanted to mention it because not only are we partnering with William Volk, now we're partnering with Playside Studios. And on top of that, New Egg accepting us as payments. So now Shiba Inu is really captivating that technical audience. It's really captivating the gamers. It's captivating the people that are really big into tech. It's really captivating that whole area, engineers. It's captivating people who just like building gaming computers. It's captivating a very big audience, a very wide and diverse audience. So this is definitely going to be good for the whole Shiba Army. Now, like I said, we are going to be going over the technicals also today, so let's do that now. So As you can see, the bears are in control 100% by the 24-hour market control. You can see it right over here. 24-hour market control, bears in control 24%. But that really doesn't matter right now because we did have a dip in the crypto market. So obviously that was going to happen. As you can see, Bitcoin down 1.9% in the last 24 hours. You got everything else trying to recover from the drop that we had last night. But yeah, like I said, we're still going to have these dips until we are 100% confirmed into a bullish rally, and that would be at 60K. If we hit 60K again, then we will be 100% confirmed bullish. 100% confirmed if we hit 60K again. Not if, but when. But yeah, Shiba Inu definitely losing some money right now though. Inside the market, everything is because it's all following Bitcoin and stuff, and there's FUD if you're interested in out in the crypto market. But over here, you can see Shiba Inu down about 0.9% in the last 24 hours. Not too bad. Pretty much just deleted the gains that we had in the last few days when we were going crazy. But anyways, this is pretty much it. Like there's not much going on except the crash that's possibly about to happen. Now, the green area over here is our supply and demand. So it's going to be very hard for us to go below 0.00003. It's going to be very hard for us to go down below that to the 2.9 area. Very hard because this is lots of demand. There's high demand right here for Shiba Inu. So when we hit that area, we'll probably end up bouncing back up. So it's going to be very hard for us to continue to go down lower. But it'll also be hard for us to break past all these like less demand areas. All these are showing less demand areas for those supply and demand areas. Now, I do want to talk about some technicals here. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu restarts bull run as global tailwinds take over. So Shiba Inu has curbed the downtrend with a pickup in buying volume, and SHIB price looks bullish with a possible return to 0.0004490. Expect a possible start of an uptrend towards 0.0008373 if current tailwinds persist. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. I'm going to mention a few things here. Like, I've been noticing, like FX Street is very, 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 like 100 times very, very bullish with Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, stuff like that. Now, I do want to mention a few things. You can't get too ahead of yourself. Remember, we did just now have 2 flash crashes, and we're bound to have a third one. So I don't know how big the third one is. I don't know if there will be a fourth one. So I do think there's going to be another drop before we even get up here to these levels here. So you don't want to be too bullish too early because this could quite possibly be a bull trap. I mentioned that so many times. And as you can see, it's already, deeming itself as a bull trap. So, and what do I mean by it's deeming itself as a bull trap? It's pretty much stating that this right here was a trap because the second we started to have all these gains, we started to lose them. And now look, we come back here, we try to come back strong, and we have all these gains, and then we start to lose them again. Now, if we have Bitcoin drop back down to 45K, then it's definitely confirmed a bull trap. Bitcoin right now at 49K, we were at 51K trying to push 52, but now we're back at 49K. So if we continue to go down to 45K, this is a complete bull trap. So I want you all to know that. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu price has been under pressure over the weekend and accelerated its downtrend due to the spillover effect from the Bitcoin flash crash. So Shiba price then bounced off the monthly S1 support, however, and created a bullish knee-jerk reaction, reversing most of the incurred losses from the weekend. So the short squeeze could see Shiba price return first to 0.0004490. They put an extra zero in there on accident, and then on the back of a global recovery, perhaps all the way back up to 0.0008373. That's if we get full recovery. Yes, we could get back up there, but I just want to make that clear. I want everyone to know I am still bullish with Shiba Inu. I still expect 3 zeros by the sometime next year, 3 zeros in Shiba Inu. And right now, though, we're at 4 zeros, and right now we're at 0.0003691. So the odds of us getting the 0.0008373 soon is very, very slim. Now the odds of us getting the 0.0004490, like they're saying, is very possible. If we see Bitcoin get back up to 55K or something, we'll definitely see Shiba Inu try to break those levels up there. So Shiba price sees bulls squaring incurred losses. So Shiba Inu price sees bulls playing the global recovery story as the bear run was halted at the monthly S1 support level near 0.00003 and the red descending trend line just below. So expect bears that came too late to the party to now lick their wounds as bullish knee-jerk reaction squeezes them out of their positions. So as global equity markets are recovering their losses from last week, more and more bears will be pushed out of their positions, obliged to revert to the buy side and square their losses. So over here, you can see this will result in SHIB price picking up steam to the upside, which will attract more investors to the price action and could easily see bulls reversing the fully incurred losses from the past weekend towards the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels to 0.00049. Bulls might face some resistance around that level and around the 55-day moving average. Then over here, you can see at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, there will be some quite expected upside potential here at 0.0005690. So they are expecting some kind of moves, and we always got to talk about the bearish movement that we could have possibly. Expect bulls to further add to the rally as more technical levels get cleared, with the equity markets pushing to new all-time highs in lifting investment sentiment. By the end of next week, SHIB price could see 0.0008373. That's very, very that's very, very bullish. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you all think that it could possibly reach that, I don't know if it could do that. But anyways, if market sentiment flips back to the downside, expect bears to try to push the price action below the red descending trend line to 0.0002, which will be our support, and that will be where the 200-day simple moving average is located. So I just want to say this, they are very bullish with SHIB 0.0008373. That is a very bullish outlook by next week. I would say wait till the beginning of next month to see that, or sometime next month. So wait till that, and next month is pretty much next year. So wait till sometime at the beginning of next year to see 0.00008. That is very bullish. That's something that you don't want to be hoping on. That's something that you just want to just happen. You just want that to happen pretty much. And what you want to watch out for Shiba Inu is supply and demand, because if we go below the supply and demand area at 0.00034 to 30, if we go below those ranges to the 30 to the 29 area, then that's when you want to definitely consider waiting a little bit before you buy the dip. Now, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals. As you can see, Shiba Inu now at 1,043,795 people inside of Shiba Inu. That's a lot of people in Shiba Inu. We're almost at 1.1 million holders, so that's going to be very nice when we hit 1.1 million. But anyways, yeah, that's all I really got for the Shiba Inu update. So yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you do want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.